fucking liar. You didn't get it. You're recording me right now. I know you are.
That's hilarious.
You're just a dick. Go away. I'm not kidding.
Bitch, I'm crying.
Oh, it's over. It sucks for you. Oh, no, it's not. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, you can stop now. Not gonna do anything interesting.
Come on, Alexis.
Why is my phone so slow? How is that funny?
Because you look like a fucking idiot.
Says the fucking idiot that's trying to get me to go downstairs in the middle of the night. No, I'm good.
You're gonna go downstairs anyways.
Yeah, in like 2 hours.
Fuck her.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
No thanks.
Fuck your mother.